Hello guys, hey. So don't lose our time. We have only 2 minutes for our training, and today I want teach you this element. Yes, this greatly opening middle split. So what we need to do for this element? Go to the side, right, and up your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. A little jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cool. Change. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Cool. So let's try do this. So, and wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So cool. Try this element. Also, I wait your feedback. Do you like this element or not? Maybe you want so maybe you want what you want that I do. Yes, maybe you have any elements and you don't know how to do this, so you can write me in comments and I find some cool exercise from this and will show you and teach you. So thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.